Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. It's matte black. And I'm going to use some Anita's White Metallic, as long as it's not completely plugged up. It just seems to be somewhat. I'm also going to use some black, and then I'm going to use some colors over the top, with any luck. I'm going to try not to put too much pressure on my spatula so I get a better coverage. That's my meat in black. I just want big areas of negative space. That isn't specifically matte black or white. And it doesn't, there's nothing that has to be perfect about it. This is just a start. If I get it smoothed out well enough, it'll dry quicker. Not that it makes a difference, because I'm kind of out of time today. Now back to the white. End up with a bunch of black over the edge. A little more here. And a little more here. And I'm almost to the point where I think I'm ready to start handling this. I'm trying to allow myself to leave some of the matte black canvas without worrying about it, knowing that I'll fill it with colors later. Or even white now. What else do I have? use the black one. Okay. Now it's time to pull out some colors. Okay, I'm going to use some Frozen. Some Fandango. Which I'm going to be out of soon, I think. A little bit of Mistique. Some Whispering Wisteria. A little bit of Blue Velvet. It's all just a start. I'm going to throw that spatula in the bucket and hope I can work with the one I've got left. Because I'm right, well, I got another one. I got one more clean one. I've got some paint left on my spatula, but I'm really liking the way the Whispering Wisteria looks. Although I could use it with a little bit of Periwinkle. Maybe even a little Dancing Fuchsia. I'm hearing the call to more blue velvet. Which is not bothering me a bit. I'm thinking I'm going to take advantage of my desire for Dancing Fuchsia while I have the time. My Orange Crush is got another spatula and I'm going to use it. I'm hearing the call to pink carnation. And I haven't used any jasmine because I'm almost out, but I want to try some right now. And maybe, it's the Tickled Pink. So I'm contemplating going along with some, if I can lay my hands on it, Rhapsody Rose, which I'm not seeing. It's alright, let's just keep moving. I'm thinking this yellow coming up down here. I'll and I get some cells in this stuff. They're pretty subtle, but they're really pretty. I still want that Rhapsody Rose. And I laid my hands on it. Yay! I think I'm going to throw a little gold in there too. Could have been silver. Decor Americana 24 karat gold. That is my nail art tool. I want more of this. And I used Jasmine, or was it Pink Carnation? I think it was Pink Carnation and Jasmine. Or Pink Carnation. Or Jasmine. And maybe it's time to get rid of this paint on my spatula. I don't know, it could have stayed. Taking yellow down there. Why? I don't know. Alright, now it's time to add some more lines if I'm going to do that. That's my start. I don't know if it's finished. It might be finished. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.